No organization can be effective if the equipment it uses is always breaking down. In many cases, if the equipment needed to produce products or information is down, then a business is at a complete standstill. With this in mind, producing to customer demand requires a company to be able to produce. If they cannot, no strategy, including just-in-time, will be successful. So, how do companies combat this challenge? Most organizations utilize a strategy known as total productive maintenance. Total productive maintenance, or TPM as it is often called, is one of the best ways to keep an organization up and running. Total productive maintenance is a maintenance strategy which focuses on achieving improved performance, reduced breakdowns, and better quality through preventative maintenance and effort of employees. TPM really focuses on a few main objectives. The first and most obvious is achieving the most effective use of every piece of equipment possible. Next, TPM tries to avoid any type of loss through the building and monitoring of a detailed loss prevention program. As with any type of continuous improvement strategy, TPM also seeks to bring people together in an effort to improve equipment maintenance and effectiveness. This requires the support, consensus, and cooperation of everyone from the top down in an organization. It also requires an organization to adopt a team-based approach in the effort to achieve absolutely no losses in quality or machine downtime. The strategy is based on 8 pillars. Those 8 pillars are continuous improvement, autonomous maintenance, planned maintenance, quality maintenance, cost deployment, early equipment management, training and education, and safety and health. As you can see, TPM can improve the overall equipment effectiveness through many different approaches that will involve and include everyone in an organization, especially people on the front lines or at the Gemba. And that's it, a very basic introduction to total productive maintenance. We'll see you in the next module, where we will look at one piece of the TPM puzzle.